Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I got a quick video for you guys. But mainly this is for Chaz's lockpicking. Yeah, kind of a newer channel from what I understand. I think he has 109 subscribers and 34 videos at the time of this this recording. And I have to apologize, Chaz. Sorry I didn't sub sooner. I'm only hearing of you now through this giveaway, which again is a great way to get your name out there once people start doing videos for a giveaway challenge or a video entry for a giveaway. A lot more people see it, and that's how I saw it. And now that I've seen it, I see you in the comments here and there. So yeah, basically he wants to see our high security locks, and buddy, you're talking my language. High security is what well, I think what everyone really loves, and one of my biggest, my most favorite locks to try to learn how to pick. Can't pick them all, obviously, but yeah, I like a challenge, I guess. So to start with, something that I'll probably never be able to pick, this Abus, now, because it has the Abloy Protec 1 core. They are pickable. Even Protec 2 has been picked, but not by me. I can't afford the tool, and even if I had the tool, I don't know if I have the skills. But yeah, this is definitely up there with my my favorite high securities. This guy just got recently. He's got to be right up there too. Hard to put a place on all of these. They're just, you know what I mean. They're all my favorites. And a couple other ones. Of course, the anchor lass here, and its little brother. Thanks to Chris. Don't they look cute together, Chris? Suki. Thanks, buddy. This is probably going to be another one. It's Asuruko 2, and it has a twin core. And actually, I think in my last video, I was saying how I had to sacrifice the sidebar from this lock to make this functioning. And I'm not sure where the key is for this guy. But I may have to even sacrifice the sidebar from this lock to get another lock functioning. Stay tuned for that. Thanks, Mer. I mean, I could keep going here, but I'll include these two and call that. CX5 and a Primus in Abus 83 CS45. And that's probably going to be my faves. Not going anywhere anytime soon. Like I said, I could keep going with that. I mean, Kaba, Abus Plus, Bilocks. I could keep going, but yeah, like I said, buddy, these are my passion. These are my favorite locks. I like complicated stuff, and I like a challenge. So, like I said, a lot of these I can't get open, and some I never will. But I love to try. So Chaz, buddy, congrats on the milestone. I think your channel's going to keep growing, and yeah, guys, go check him out. He's a really great picker. Not sure how long you've been picking, Chaz, but man, you're doing good. You're ahead of the curve, I think, and picking some pretty cool locks too. And yeah, awesome collection as well. Alright guys, I'm going to sign off with that. I'm going to try to get this video up. Not sure when the oh, my battery is about to die, so yeah, not sure when the contest closes, but I'm going to try to get this video up soon. Alright guys, take care, see you on the next one.